Hello everyone! In this video, we're diving into the cscart vendor subdomain. Each seller gets their own branded URL, boosting visibility, trust, and sales. Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore a number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configuration and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video. First, we need to set up the profile page for SEO purposes and then save the changes. To allow vendor subdomains, we need to go to the Vendor Plan section. In cscart, for example, there's a plan called Gold. We'll edit that plan and enable the vendor subdomain option. Once done, save the changes. Next, go to the Vendors section. From here, we can assign subdomains based on the vendor's preference. For example, if we assign the subdomain name cscart, we can then save it. After saving, it may appear as disabled because we need to activate it. To activate the add-on, go to Website, Vendor Subdomain, and from there, activate the status. After activation, when we visit the vendor's profile, we'll see that the subdomain is active. If needed, we can edit the subdomain from the same section. Now, vendors can use their subdomains to manage their profiles. When we enter the vendor's subdomain in a browser, their profile page becomes visible. Vendors can manage their products and view their listings directly from their subdomain. If someone wants to register as a new vendor, they can go to Become a Seller and fill in all the required details such as company name, plan, first name, last name, email, and phone number. They can also choose their preferred subdomain, just like we did with Acme. After agreeing to the terms and conditions, they can submit the form. This way, each vendor can have their own unique subdomain and manage their store independently within the cscart marketplace. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest updates.